The Innovation Hub was officially opened in June 2018 by His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa. The whole idea is to incubate ideas that are scalable and sustainable. So we don't just take ideas, but there are certain ideas that are sustainable. Those are the ones that we are mostly interested in. And we take our innovations from our students, our staff, as well as the community. At the present moment, we've quite worked on a wide range of innovations. The first one that I'll talk about is the modified coal tar project. This is a project that started in the lab with a master's student working with some staff in the Faculty of Science and Technology. And to date, I can report that we've managed to come up with a plant that will produce a modifier that will be used to blend with the coal. So when we got our product, we call it the modified coal tar product because what it does that it's more durable and it's actually more stronger than the conventional bitumen that we are currently using that is on the road. So this is an initiative that started in the lab, like I said, and it has been supported by our parent ministry through the government. We've come up with what we call a modular unit, which is basically an electrolytic cell that converts brine into chlorine containing products which are used in water treatment. This project has also been funded by the government, and we are currently upscaling production of the electrolytic unity cell. I think the first prototype will be tested to treat water at the Holy Cross Dam in Chirumanzi. We also have quite a number of products or innovations that have passed through our system. I will talk about the cosmetics that we have since moved to the enterprises for upscaling. So these are beauty products. If you want your skin to look nice, you can apply these products. You will also see some organic soaps that we have produced. We are also into ICT products. We've been very lucky to work with financial sectors such as the banks to come up with some of the innovative solutions that can be applied in the banking sector. If you think of inclusive banking, we are working on those kind of innovation that will then be taken up by some of our partners. In terms of drug development, you know, in Zimbabwe there's quite an issue with malaria. So we also look at how we can develop malaria drugs, but we do this using what we call machine learning or artificial intelligence, because with machine learning you can then shorten the period in which you can develop your drug. Basically, drug development, it takes between 10 to 15 years until it's commercialized. But when you bring machine learning or computational studies, you can shorten that period. So these are some of the innovations that we've been working with. We've also worked with the companies, giant companies in Zimbabwe such as Mimosa, to develop materials that are used in the mining sector. So this is very important, especially for the commercialization of our products. So the whole idea, the chain, is that once we produce products here or support innovations here, we move them to our enterprises. The enterprise, they will scale them up. Once they scale them up, it means now we can then distribute them through our channels, for example, the OD.